Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a typewriter comment on a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option. Here you will find this typewriter option and click here and click on your selected location. Now type your text, new text and comment you can add here, and here you can say this text font style, font size and color and so on. And this comment text you can move in here, this comment text. Also you can rotate this commenting box and see this. This is in this way you can add typewriter or typed comment text on a PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.